Okay, so our problem here is find the solution of the square of dy over dx plus y equal to 0. Okay, so our equation can also be expressed as dy over dx equal to the square root of negative y, or dy over the square root of negative y equal to dx, or 2 times square root of y equal to ix plus c. So where I here is equal to the square root of negative 1. So by solving this integral, we can find the value of, we can find y in terms of x as equal to y equal to negative 1 times x squared over 4. So by Mathematica, we can plot this one. So, or we can solve the, can find the solution here using the Mathematica. So this is the general solutions. Now for the specific solution here, uh, let the constant c of integration be equal to 0. So we have the particular solution here if c equal to 0. So our solution is y equal to negative x squared over 4. Then for the plot of this, so this is the plot of our solutions. So by using the table here, so we have the values of x and values of y here. So by grid table, so we have if x equal to 0, y equal to 0, if x equal to 1, y is equal to negative 1, 4. If x equal to 2, y equal to negative 1. If x equal to 3, y equal to negative 9 over 4. Okay. Now let us use now the, we can also use the MATLAB here. So we have to first compute the corresponding y values of the y values here. So line space here is from 0 to 10. So we have the 500 points between 0 and 10 here. Then next, we're going to compute for the corresponding values of y. So y equal to negative x squared over 4. Then we have the plot here. So we have the figure to create the new figure here. So we have to plot the xy. So b here stands for the blue. So the line width is equal to 1.5. So plot the solution with a blue line here. So hold on, meaning keep the current plot for additional elements. Then mark the vertex 0, 0. So plot 0, 0 arrow here, meaning the the circle here is colored red. Then the mark size is equal to 12. So we have the marker face color is red. So meaning red circle at 0, 0. Add the grid labels and title. So we have the grid is on. X label here, X. Y label here is denoted by Y. So we have the title here. So the title is solution of the square of Y, Y prime plus Y equal to 0. So it is a LaTeX symbol, so it can be interpreted by this program or by this MATLAB. So title with LaTeX form. All right, fix the legend text here. So we have the legend here. So by using the LaTeX here, but the MATLAB here interpret this LaTeX. So we have the location here north. It means at the upper part of the uh, plot. Okay. Then adjust the access limits for better visualizations. So we have the x here from 0 to 10. So our limit is from 0 to 10. Then y limit here from negative 25 to 5 here. Then add dashed lines here for x-axis and y-axis. So for the dashed line here, the minimum is from minimum to maximum value of x. So from 0, 0, meaning we have to draw the dashed line from the origin. So also with the y-axis here. So we drew the y-axis from the origin here. So 0, 0.